Hello teacher, I am Fabrizio Souza Ferrari. I am a new student for the first period of System for Internet and is my second time to make a oral exercise in English language, and I really hope to make a good work and make you proud. Now I am reading the text of Unit 24, Computer Languages. Unfortunately for us, computer can't understand spoken English or other natural languages. The only language they can understand directly is machine code, which consists of ones and zeros, binary code. Machine code is too difficult to write. For this reason, we use symbolic language to communicate instructions to the computer. For example, assembly language uses abbreviations such as AD, SUB, MPY to represent instructions. The program is then translated into machine code by a piece of software called an assembler. Machine code and assembly language are called low-level language because they are close to the hardware. They are quite complex and restricted to particular machines. To make the programs easy to write and to overcome the problems of intercommunications between different types of computing, software developers design high-level languages which are close to the English language. Here are some examples. Fortran as developed by IBM in 1954 and is still used for scientific and engineering applications. COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language, was developed in 1959 and is mainly used for business applications. BASIC was developed in the 1960s and was widely used in microcomputer programming because it was easy to learn. Visual Basic is a modern version of the old basic language, used to build graphical elements such as buttons and windows in Windows programs. Pascal was created in 1971. It's used in universities to teach the fundamentals of programming. C was developed in 1980s at AT&T. It is used to write systems software, graphic, and commercial applications. C++ is a version of C which incorporates object-oriented programming. The programmer concentrates on particular things: a piece of text, a graphic, or a table, etc., and gives 8 object functions which can be altered without change the entire program. For example, to add a DNA graphic format, the programmer needs to rework just the graphics objects. This makes programs easy to modify. Java, as designed by Sun in 1995 to run on the web. Java applets provides animations and interactive features on web page. Now it's teacher. Good work.